You can no longer generate free videos from Grok anymore except you subscribe, and I don't see anything wrong in doing that, to subscribe so that you get what you want. But meanwhile, I'm going to show you other alternative AI tools which you are going to use to create free videos. If you cannot afford to subscribe to Grok AI, I'm going to review some AI tools for you right now in this video, which you are going to use to create free videos just like Grok. So let's get started. Now our first AI tool for today is what we call Meta AI. You can use Meta AI to generate free videos for yourself and So just go to Google Play Store or your Apple Store and you go and download the app. As you can see it right here, it is called Meta AI, as you can see. So download it on your phone. Now it's telling me to update. I'm trying to update my own, and after update it, I'm going to show you how you are going to use it and generate free videos for yourself every day without subscribing to anything. You are going to generate free videos with this Meta AI. As you can see, this is the AI right now. I'm updating it on my phone right now. It has been long that I've used it. I also use Grok to generate my videos, but right now I can no longer use Grok. So let's generate our videos using Meta AI. So the AI has successfully updated. Now let me just give you some minutes. Now after installing, I'll open it and show you guys how you are going to use it. So let's give it some minutes. Now the next thing we are going to do is to click on open. So when you click on open, you register. If you have not registered before, you can register with your Facebook account or your Instagram account, or you can just log in with any AI tool. Then the next thing you are going to do, is just to click on this plus icon up here. When you click on this plus icon, it will bring you to an interface like this that says describe an image or video. So the next thing you are going to do, you click on this plus icon so that you are going to upload your image here. Any image you want to eliminate, any image you want to make a video with. So you just upload the image here. Let me upload my image here, and after uploading it, you give it a single prompt what you want the image to be saying. Now let me just say talking, just example for you guys. Then the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate here. So you just give it some minutes and it's going to generate the video for you. Mind you, Meta AI generates videos without sound. So any video is generated for you, those videos will not have sound. Now as you can see, it's generating the video for me right now. It did not come with sound. So you have to do voiceover, or you have add lip syncing using other AI tools that you can add lip sync. Now let's wait for it to load and you are going to see the result. Now as you can see, this is our result here. This is our result without sound. So you can see I just say talk and it talk. But another thing, amazing cool part about this, that it generates 5-second video and you can extend the video. As you can see here, you just click on this extend here and you extend the video, or you just click on music here and you add any music background, or you click on lip sync here and you add what you want the video to say, or you put voice over. Now the next thing you are going to do, if you want to do lip sync, you want to make the video to talk, you just click on lip sync here and you try it and it's going to work. You just upload the image and it's going to work. Now this is our second AI tool we'll be trying right now. Let me show you the second AI tool we are going to try right now. It is called Qwen. Now this is the AI tool. It is called Qwen. If you have not installed it on your phone, you just go to Google Play Store and you install the app. So if you have not installed the app before, you just install the app on your phone, and after you install it, you can start using it. So I'm trying to install the app right now and show you guys how you are going to use it. So you just install the app, you register and you start using it. So let's give it some minutes so that the app is going to install on our phone, and after it's installed, I'm going to show you how you are going to use it also. And this one, you can generate video with sound using this AI model. All you just need to do is just to put a simple prompt and it will generate it. Now after everything, you click on open here. Now it's going to open the AI tool like this. Now as you can see, it has opened. So as you can see, say create your first image. So we are not here to create our image, we are here to image to video. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on this plus icon here, And as you can see, we click on create videos. As you can see, create video here, you click on create video. So now it's asking us to sign up. So this is a fresh account I just opened right now. So let me click on sign up with Google. Now I just successfully register new account. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this plus icon again. I'll click on create videos. Now after click on create videos, I'll click on this plus icon again. Now I'll upload my image, the image I want to use as a sample. So let me click on allowed. So let me upload that image again, the image I uploaded a moment ago. Now this is the image. The next thing I'm going to do is just put a simple prompt. Let me say talking. So it's simple prompt, just use a simple prompt, just the way we are using it on Grok. This is just an example I'm searching for you guys so that you know how you are going to use it. So it's still uploading my image. Sorry, it is not fast like Grok, but you can still use it. It is not that fast like Grok, but at the time of making this video, you can still generate image to videos or text to videos using this AI tool. So it's still uploading my image. I don't know why it's taking time. Maybe it's because of my network. Now the image are successfully uploaded. The next thing we are going to do is to click on generate here, and after click on generate, as you can see, it's generating our video for us right now. It is not that fast like Grok, just the way I say, but it is also generate the video. It will generate the video for you. So let's give it some minutes so that it's going to generate the video, and I'm going to show you guys your result. You can also select aspect ratio here, everything you can select it. So let's wait for it so that we are going to get our result. So if you think those AI tools I just listed out right now are not okay by you, and you want Grok and you want to subscribe to Grok on a cheaper price, what you need to do and get Grok AI on a cheaper price. So you can head over to this AI tool, and I'm going to leave down the link to this AI tool in the description of this video. Now when you click on the description of this video and you see the link, you click on the link, it's going to bring you to an interface. Click on this frame to video. You are going to see frame to video like this. When you come to video, you are going to see frame to video. You click on frame to video. So here you select your model. You are going to select, you click on model, and when you scroll down, you are going to see Grok imagine here. So as you can see Grok, you can see 12.02 clicks, 2.5 VO3, all this Allo AI, all this AI model, you can see everything here. You can use any of them. So far you want to use Grok, all you just need to do is just to put it on Grok here, and you upload your image here. If you have image, you upload it. If you have your script and your prompt for the video, you upload it here. And after you upload everything, the next thing you are going to do is to click on create for free. As you can see, create for free, you click it here. Now let me show you one cool part about this AI tool. Now when you come to upgrade up here, when you click on upgrade up here and you want to upgrade your package so that you can start creating videos for a cheap price, you can create videos. You come to monthly here, and you will be charged only $14 for a month, and you are going to get access to 4,000 credits, and you can create up to 4,000 images, 50 videos, and up to 30 consistency character. As you can see their packages here, you can do this. Now after you upgrade, it's not that it is only Grok you can use. You can use different type of AI tool. All these AI tools, those AI tools here, as in when you go back here, you are going to use frame to video, text to video, motion scene, all these creating baby dancing videos, all these AI tools, you can do anything. All this lip syncing, you can get access to them, video extension, and also image generation you can get. So if you want to be creating all these baby dancing videos, you can use this motion scene here. I've done video about that before. You can also use it and generate your video. So you can use this AI tool. If you think those two AI tool I just mentioned a moment ago, you are not okay with this, you can upgrade you for just $14 using this AI tool, and you are going to start generating different type of video. So don't forget, the link to this AI tool will be in the description of this video. So go and click on it so that you get started right now. Now you guys can see everything. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.